Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to clean this bathroom exhaust fan. Notice how dirty it is. It's been over 6 months that I cleaned it and it has become dirty again. As a homeowner, we must clean this fan every 6 months or so. Otherwise, it is not able to throw out the moisture and humidity from the bathroom after someone takes shower. At the same time, a dirty bathroom fan can lead to more humidity within the bathroom, and that can lead to mold and mildew inside the bathroom, which is a health hazard. This thing becomes very important, especially if it is a basement bathroom. So let me show you how I do it. These are the small items that you will need for this cleanup. Used brush, pair of gloves, microfiber cloth, a screwdriver with Phillips head bit and a flathead screwdriver, a small vacuum cleaner if you have one, and flashlight. It would be a good idea to close the shower door and keep the toilet seat cover down so that the dust from the fan does not go into the toilet. It would also be a good idea to close this pop-up drain and then turn off power from the switch or from the circuit breaker. This is when my flashlight becomes handy. Now I have enough light here and I can work on the exhaust. You will need a step ladder to reach this. Most of these covers are installed in the same manner. You will need a flathead screwdriver. Just pull it down, hold it from both sides, and you see a wire here. Hold the wire, press it inside, and here you go. Do the same from the other side. You can see how dirty it is. Next we will remove the 3-pin. This motor is attached to the housing by 3 screws. 1, 2 and 3. And you will need a Phillips head screwdriver for that. Or you can use a small drill machine if you have one. I just noticed that it is difficult to remove the dirt from deep inside these blades with a toothbrush. So I used paintbrush for this purpose. So now let me try it again. I'm deliberately cleaning from here so that the dust comes out from this part. So with this brush, this much more dust has come out. For further cleaning, I have taken a handheld vacuum cleaner. It is much cleaner than before. This is how much dust was there in the fan earlier. All this is gone now. If it is really very dirty, you can clean the grill with water. And then let it dry for some time. This is how the clean fan looks now, from inside and outside. Before I install fan motor back, I would like to wipe exhaust fan box with a dry cloth. The fan motor goes the same way as it came out. This part aligns with this part here. Connector goes back, and then the grill. This is the grill and the two spring wires. Press them like this, push it inside and leave it. Take the other one, press like this, push it inside, and there you go. So this fan is clean now. It is a lot less noisier than it was before cleaning.